I received this product free to try, but I'm so excited to use it between my nail polishes. I use gel nail polish mostly, and I want to give my nails some break. So this is before the using the product. I removed my gel nail polish, and that's the state of my nails. And now I'll use the repair kit. I'm following the instructions and I'm using 2 coats. So this is the base coat, and now I'm gonna use the top coat. So this is how they look at the end. They're quite shiny and very well looking. I'm happy to give my nails some break and a time to restore.